Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking for versatile tools that can handle a wide range of everyday tasks, this video's for you. Today we're covering the top 5 best all-purpose tools, selected for their versatility, durability, ease of use, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started.
Starting at number 1, we've got the Leatherman Wave Plus. This one's the gold standard for folks who want one trusty pocket beast that tackles fixes from garage tinkers to trailside patches without hauling a full toolbox or second-guessing reliability. Packed tight with needle nose pliers that grip tiny electronics wires or stubborn rusted bolts without slipping. Replaceable 154 cm cutters that chew through thick gauge copper or aluminum clean without dulling after a dozen jobs. A combo straight serrated knife that slices boxes or fillets fish smooth, a wood/metal saw that powers through branches or zip ties quick, spring-loaded scissors snipping paracord or fingernails effortless even one-handed, plus etched rulers and bottle opener for camp brews. It's your instant go-to for home hacks, bike tweaks, emergency tent repairs, or roadside flats. What seals the deal is that intuitive one-handed deploy. Outside access blades and pliers flick out lightning, while your other hand juggles parts. No stumbling through nested layers like on clunky bargain tools that fight you mid-job. At just 8.5 ounces with a comfy nylon sheath clipping light on belts, pockets, or packs without dragging bulk, yet the 420HC stainless steel holds wicked edges through real-world abuse like scraping rust or prying lids, folding locked solid with all locking blades for total pocket safety around kids or drops.
Next up, at number 2, is the Victorinox SwissTool Spirit X. This Swiss precision machine nails clean, effortless ops for users chasing premium feel in tight workshops, travel bags, or daily grinds where fussy tools waste time. Full-bodied, high-grade stainless laughs off rust in damp garages, salty beach air, or rainy hikes, with Safety Plus locking mechanism snapping every tool secured tight. No sloppy wobbles or accidental folds mid-twist on delicate circuits. Needle pliers crunch cables clean and precise. Fine-edged blade slices paper, rope, or veggies whisper sharp without pulling hairs. Diamond file smooths metal burrs or sharpens hooks without chatter or wear. Ergo handles mold perfectly to palms for max torque without hand cramps or slip. Deploying screwdrivers, awl, or can opener one-handed, even gloved up in cold shops. Sub 10 ounces with slim profile, pockets discreet, yet spans full screw sets from tiny Torx eyeglass bits to beefy square drives via magnetic holder grabbing firm without drops. Nylon sheath hugs belts tight or molly loops pack secure for tack setups. Polish shines in tiny details like rounded edges dodging pocket snags or skin nicks. Lifetime backing swallows wear claims easy with Swiss wrap behind it.
Now, at number 3, we have the Leatherman Skeletool CX. This stripped-down champ targets everyday carriers hating pocket sag from overkill kits. Core tools only, max portability. Carbide cutters insert swap for diamonds that stay vicious longer. 154 cm blade drops razor for boxes or fillets. Pliers pinch electronics delicate or nails stout. Bit driver spins on Leatherman bits stashed on board. Bottle opener cap sprues mid-trail casual. Under 5 ounces with open skeleton frame venting grime, it vanishes clipped till needed. No too heavy to carry excuses killing utility. CX tungsten upgrades tip hardness for pry leverage without marring. Thumb stud pops blade lightning while other hand holds steady. Minimalist vibe pairs jeans to tool belt seamless, stays pocket legal most spots. Perfect intro for multi-tool newbies or weight obsessives wanting real chops light. Commutes, campus, light fixes, or bike packs where ounces bite. If grab-and-go function without featherweight compromise drives you, Skeletool CX hooks daily.
Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the Gerber Center Drive. This job site bruiser flips the script for torque hogs wrestling fat screws or assemblies all day. Center axis driver thrusts 3.8 inches deep, like full ratchet, full palm leverage crushing Phillips or nuts without side-loading knuckle busters like stubby bits do. Pliers crush 12-gauge live wire safe. Half-serrated sheep's foot blade saws cardboard or twine quick. Pry bar pops lids or staples clean. Kickstand props it steady for overhead twists. Outboard tools deploy outside folded, no disassembly dance. Forged handles tank drops. Magnetic bit pockets corral extras secure against rollaways. At 10 ounces hefty, it feels planted for mechanic bays or van life wrenching. Lanyard loops rescue from greasy benches. Sheet swallows whole for belts. For DIY builders, techs, or fixers prioritizing drive power over slim carry, Center Drive turns multi-tool grunt into workbench rival.
Finally, at number 5, we've got the Leatherman Wave Alpha. This pro upgrade bets big on edge kings and slick access for heavy cutters facing daily dirge. CPM MagnaCut blade resists corrosion while biting forever. Field dressings, rope work, or box blitzes stay scary sharp seasons out. One-hand everything flips outside. Spring scissors chomp thicker hides or strapping effortless. G10 scales texture grippy in rain or grease. Thumb nubs stin pliers lightning, even bulky mitts. Replaceable wire bites stay fresh. 18 tools span saw to can opener versatile. BitKit rotates pro patterns on board. Alpha doors enclose clean for pocket polish. Heft reassures at 9 ounces locked. Lifetime covers abuse broad. For upgraded material junkies chasing pro deployment and cut supremacy in EDC or pro kits, Wave Alpha elevates multi-tool games smooth and fierce.
And that wraps up the top 5 best all-purpose tools. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.